Hi traders, not a great trading day with options expiring on Friday and not that much data today. So at the moment, with an hour and a half to go, the Dow is just pretty much in around yesterday's range. If we hold here, we may just move sideways a bit and then make a move for the upside. With options expiry, they may want to drop it down to the big 16k. We're not that far off it, but keep buying dips for now until that stops working and see how we go. Pound yen is right on this fib line. We've got UK jobs tomorrow and retail sales on Friday. So I think the market is sideways until we get this out of the way. So the last 4 days has been pretty range bound, 950 to just over 150, so a couple of 100 points range. So getting a little tough to trade here as we head into options expiry. Basically what options expiry means is there's a lot of money on generally the big round numbers. Obviously the big round number here is 170, just underneath us. So the third Friday in every month you tend to get this problem where particularly the second half of options expiry week can be just pretty dead, and sometimes once the options expire, which I believe is about 3 o'clock UK time, 10 AM Eastern time, then that can sometimes open up the markets for some moves post expiry, but just be warned that that's what we're facing here. Pound US it's come down. I talked about this level in Traders Round Table, 670. We are just narrowly above it, but that is a reversal bar. We have rejected 127, but if we can hold here, then we could push up to 168 plus, and the 127 extension is looking at 169.25. So all the time, this was resistance, this is now support. So if we hold here, move sideways and then get a kick second half of the week, that could be a very good move. And don't forget the US was off yesterday, so we're effectively back end of a Monday US session. So typically that's where a lot of these initial pivotal points that have come from. So I am actually long here and just waiting to see if we can just close a little bit above this into the Asian session and then drag us up into the US session. I've been watching the pound Aussie dollar carefully at the moment. This is just holding a 50 EMA and just looking to see if that can consolidate and then push up. I think this is very bullish. We've got all this price action down here. We're above the trend line. We're sitting on top of the 50 EMA. So maybe we'll dip down a little and then possibly get the push up to 189, 190. Euro's had a good day. That's a pullback at about 750, 740 area to see if we can get to 138 plus. And there's the move that I was looking for in the euro yen. So that's a pullback at 140, 35, 40 area to see if we can. So I suggested that we could get a mirror image of symmetry with this December action, and so far it's taken longer, but it's very, very similar and coming off very similar levels. So last time we did this, we pushed up into 145.70. So now we're outside of this box. This is probably this is the best looking chart out there. So I will alert that. I hope it screams at me tomorrow to let me get in that. And looking at oil, got invents tomorrow. Wow. Oh wow, this is just completely taken off. That's gone up nearly 100 points since I last looked at it. Whoosh. Well, let invents get out of the way, because if that comes back in touch with 101.10, that is a buy. Wow, that's astronomical. That's moved 200 points today. And look at this breakout pattern I had marked off down here at 140 on a 15-minute chart. Nice move. I'm not in it, which is frustrating. Okay, we'll leave it there and look forward to the next trading room session.